Hello, and welcome back to Food 63. We are starting up another monthly competition. And for anybody who's new here, basically what we do is we run a Facebook page called Food 63, and every month we do a friendly food competition where we come up with rules and stipulations, and anyone can join. And if you want to join, you can cook within the stipulations and put in the comments, and it'll get voted on at the end of a week or 2 weeks, depending on how long I want to keep it open for. And whoever gets the most votes, their food and a blurb about it is put as the banner in the top of the our Facebook page. It's just a friendly competition. If you're interested, the link will be in the description of this video. Aaron! Why, hello, Aaron. How are you? So, Aaron, would you like to explain to the peeps what we're doing today? And you can have control of the camera too if you want.
Hello. Today we are doing a food challenge, and in the spirit of Halloween, we are doing a food challenge which is everything spooky, everything Halloweenish.
Did you say something spooky?
Spooky.
Get it? Because his name is Mr. Spooks. I quit.
So we are going to be making jalapeno popper mummies for the Halloween theme. And we're going to show you how we make those.
So we are making some jalapeno popper mummies for Halloween, and Miss Erin is going to show you the ingredients that you will need to make this.
When you make a jalapeno popper mummy, you'll need 10 jalapeno peppers, some minced garlic, scallions, and pepper jack cheese, and an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and a pinch of salt and sugar.
Just a pinch. And we will be back in a minute. Did you ever hear about Casper the ghost perverted cousin, Jasper? He was obsessed with movies. Anywho, so we preheated the oven to 400, and the lovely Miss Erin is going to show us how to make one of these mummy poppers.
Alright, so you are going to mix up the ingredients. So I've got the scallions, the garlic, cream cheese, the pepper jack cheese, pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it up, and then we're going to fill the jalapeno peppers. My recommendation would be to use a tablespoon to fill it.
Ooh. So I can take that now and eat it, right?
Suppose you could, if you really wanted to.
I can be patient and wait for the final product, I suppose.
Okay. So then after you fill all of them, then your next step will be the crescent rolls. And so with the crescent rolls, what we're going to do is we're going to unroll the crescent roll. So if you have 2 of the pre-cut pieces, so it makes like a triangle, 2 triangles, so it makes a rectangle, And then we will use a pizza cutter to put it into long strips. So then you can wrap that around the pepper for your mummy.
We have returned with the final product. So we'll bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, I would say. And now we have little mummy jalapeno poppers.
They are very yummy. They are my go-to Halloween appetizer.
Brings all the ghosts to the yard. I had to make that. Anyways, as always, if you would like to join, it's a Facebook Food 63 group. And thank you for playing along. Say goodbye. Oh, okay.